Morning guys, day 6 here today in Kyrgyzstan. So bali magbe-breakfast lang kami and then after that, pupunta na kami sa border going to Kazakhstan. And of course, marami pa mga stopover namin before we reach Almaty. So we're here now in Kazakhstan guys. We crossed the border and then punta kami sa immigration ng Kazakhstan. And then we're gonna drive para mag toilet stop. So guys, mabuti na lang, tumila na ang ulan. And then after that, hiking na naman kami dito sa Khendy Lake. It's like mga 30 minutes hike. Masyadong maraming tao, tsaka maputi kaya ingat lang ako kasi may meniscus tear ako. So lagi tayong nahuhuli. Pero okay lang. So guys, ayan siya ang aming view. So, good morning guys, it's June 12, still here in Sati. Dito kami nagstay sa guest house. Tapos ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung view namin. Dito kami overnight and then mag-breakfast lang kami and then mag-hiking and then we're gonna go to Almaty. So guys, good morning. We are in Chardon Canyon. Nasa Kazakhstan pa rin kami. So we will gonna be here for like mga 20 hours kasi mag-hike. And then after that, we're gonna go to yun nga, Almaty. Pero okay naman kasi patag naman yung daan. Parang desert lang siya, parang Arizona. And yun lang. Hindi naman masyadong mainit pa kasi it's only 9:30 in the morning. Tapos ayun, yung mga kasama ko nandito so parang optional na namin to. Ano, mag-picture lang kami, lunch. And that's it you guys. So ito yung view. Makikita niya parang ayan lang. So nagtitake time lang ako kasi nga meron nga akong sciatica and then meron din akong meniscus tear. So hindi talaga ako masyadong naglalakad. So careful lang talaga ako.
At kanina nagkukuha ng tubig, nagkakanta-kanta siya.
Kanta-kanta. Of course, nandito na naman kami sa KFC. Ayan, medyo matagal pa yung order namin. Tapos namili na lang kami ng mga kung ano-ano. Yung Birkenstock nila dito, medyo mura lang. So, nasa $48. Tapos yung mga blouses. And parang yung pants, bumili na ako kasi nag-sale sila dito. Morning guys, breakfast tayo. So, meron tayong crepe, may hotdog, my cereal,
Naubos na ang kuwan.
and my coffee. Pero tignan nyo naman guys, ang interior, very nice. So guys, tapos na kami walking tour. So guys, mag-walking tour na kami. So nakapasok na kami dito sa Green Bazaar, kasama yung aming tour guide. So ito siya. So guys, tignan niyo yung mga products nila. Ayan, nuts. Tapos yung mga fruits nila, especially yung apples. Kasi famous sila dito sa apple. Ito malaking apple. And then, mga fresh yung mga vegetables nila dito. Guys, nakakatuwa kasi meron sila mga Korean food. Tapos, ito yung mga nut product nila. Ayan. So guys, we're here in Lotte Chocolate Factory. Tignan nyo naman yung mga chocolates nila. Ang dami. So, naka-plaza na kami guys. Tinignan namin yung parang memorial nila. And then we're going to the church sa Orthodox Church nila. Malapit lang sa hotel namin. So, pag pumunta kayo sa church, make sure that meron kayong head covering. So guys, nandito kami sa Green Bazaar. Ang dami-daming masya-shopping dito. May mga clothes, slippers, mga bags, lahat-lahat ng klase ng souvenir. So if you're ever in Almaty, guys, don't forget to go to the Green Bazaar. So guys, we're here in Koktobi. Koktobi Mountains. So nag-cable car kami. Tapos nakita namin ito. Mayroon silang pabitos. Tapos mayroon din silang Ferris wheel. Tapos may mga iba-ibang snacks. I think 10,000 tenge. Yung ano niya, mga $20 for round trip na. So guys, last night na namin dito sa kay Dinara. So tomorrow we're gonna fly out to Tajikistan naman.
I just want to, if she tells me where that souvenir store is, she said, put the end there. Oh, yeah.
And we had Georgian food for tonight. Hello guys, good morning. Guys, tignan yung subway station nila, oh. Ang ganda ng subway station nila. Yung mga booths, ticket window. Ayan. Finally, we reached here in Tajikistan. Our CEO Kamil.
Be a little bit quiet, at least while we're able to provide you with some information. So what? Not really.
So guys, pinag-groceries kami dito ng aming tour guide. Kasi tomorrow maglalakbay na naman kami ha. So naghahanap ako ng mga siguro crackers. And then I have water. Pero ang dami nilang mga pagkain, chocolates, and yung mga sweets nila dito. Oreo. Crackers. Guys, oh, meron silang parang Cropec. Biling ko kaya. So guys, school daw to, sabi ng tour guide namin. Ayan. So, papasok na naman daw kami sa mosque. So guys, nakapasok na kami dito sa mosque nila. Pero kailangan, siguro naka-abaya ka or naka-long sleeves. And then kailangan may cover yung head mo. So ito siya guys. Dito kami ngayon sa kanilang parang center. Nandito yung, nasan ba yung flag ng, ayan, yung flag, international flag day nila. So sabi nila they have a very good relationship with Iran and Russia. Tapos yung pinaka close nila is Uzbekistan. So among the stands, yung Turkmenistan yung pinaka isolated sa kanila. Then Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan, they're good neighbors. And then yung Tajikistan naman siya Uzbekistan kasi magkaka-border sila. But overall, okay yung relationship nila kasi among the stands, I think yung Tajikistan yung pinaka-rich yung history nila. So guys, makita natin yung ganda ng Dushanbe at night. So guys, ito yung parliament nila. Ang ganda.
The monument that you see, it is made up of bronze, and the thing it is holding, it is made up of pure gold. But the arch that you see is depicted from the golden leaves.
Good morning. Good morning. Here in Tajikistan, now we're gonna have breakfast. So guys, stop over muna kami dito sa mountains ng Tajikistan. Snow cap. Yan, ganda.
Very soon we will see one of the longest tunnels, which is 5 kilometers long. Yeah.
Guys,
Camilla, do they have knives? Knives here. Thank you.
nagkaon na itong isa oh. Gutom na siguro itong isa.
Oh my God, sino kaya ang may-ari ito?
Morning guys, welcome to the vlog. Day 3 here in Tajikistan. Look at the mountains. Wow. Tapos may village in front of us. We're gonna visit later. So guys, nandito kami sa village. Tapos pupuntahan naman yung blacksmith at saka yung parang oldest French teacher dito sa Central Asia. So guys, nandito kami sa village, dito sa Gaza. Tapos ito yung environment.
Pag summer, nawalang tubig.
Sit down. I think that's a good souvenir, horseshoe.
This is called Dastahon.
ببخشید خوبیه شما اینجا شیریه؟ یادم بیاد چندی استفاده سویدی بود سویدی بود
Here is our bluff. Bluff.
That must be the VIP meal over there.
Salty. When I eat it with cucumber. Tighten up the taste. Then taste
Hi guys. Magdi-dinner kami. Pero naglalakad kami almost like 20 minutes. Hindi ko alam kung saan bundok na naman kami dadalhin. So, local food as usual. And may mag-host sa amin.
Fresh mountain water.
So guys, stop over muna kami dito sa parang town nila. Tapos may mga paninda, pero walang magnets. And then look at their parang refrigerator. Diba? Lunchtime guys. Nag-order lang ako ng chicken.
Ano kasi itong stuff?
So this is the city fortress, the renovated version of it.
So guys, nandito na naman kami sa isang city. It's called Kujant. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda. Support, I think this is yung museum nila. Ayan, so papasok kami sa museum. And then after that, city orientation. And then pupunta na kami sa hotel. Souvenir shopping here in Kujant. So guys, this is Kujant, the second largest city in Tajikistan. Very historic siya, especially yung kay Alexander the Great. And we're overnight here, and then tomorrow we're gonna drive to to Tashkent na. So guys, we are entering the market here in Kujant. Medyo matraffic lang kasi medyo maraming tao.
guys, this is what their market looks like. Ang haba-haba nun, medyo madaming tao. Naghahanap sila ng mga clothing, mga textile, pero ano, other side daw. Sang side? Okay.
So guys, babalik na lang kami sa van kasi nagkakawalaan na. Nawala na isang kasama namin. And we only have limited time here. So guys, we're here in the Uzbek border. Umalis na yung driver namin. Nakapagpapalit na rin kami ng cash for Uzbekistan. So finally, nakalusot na kami sa immigration ng Tajikistan. And we're here finally in Uzbekistan.